What's up, lovely people? Welcome, Wagwan. Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make my version of a plantain porridge. But before we start this video, guys, just like up the thing and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. So let's get started. Now here I have 2 cups of water. I'm going to put it on the stove and I'm going to add a few cinnamon leaf and allow it to come to a boil. Now I'm going to peel the plantain and cut it into small pieces so the blender can move along smoothly without any interruptions. I'm going to add it to the blender. And to that, I'm going to add half a cup of rolled oats. If you have instant oats, you can use that too. I'm going to use 1 cup of almond milk. If you don't have no almond milk, you can use coconut milk or you can use just plain water. Now that the water is ready, I'm going to add my mixture to it. Now guys, you want to stir constantly because the moment the heat starts to go through the plantain and the oatmeal, it's going to start thickening up, and we don't want a lumpy porridge, so you just want to whisk constantly. Now that my porridge is somewhat thick enough, I'm going to add some spices. I'm going to grate about a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now people, when you don't want to add too much nutmeg or else it's going to taste bitter. I'm gonna add some salt for extra boost of flavor so you can taste all the flavors together. Look at that, guys, nice thick porridge. I'm gonna add some vanilla extract to that. Now guys, I'm gonna add some more cinnamon powder, but as I said before, we have the cinnamon stick in it, so if you want to leave it out, fine, go ahead and add it for that extra bit of spice. Now guys, as I said before, this is my personal porridge. Here I have my vanilla coffee creamer. Now you could use your condensed milk and whatever sweetener you have, but I want to keep this dairy free. And trust me guys, if you try it, you won't regret it. It adds creaminess and it tastes good. So don't come for me people, this is my version. And let me tell you guys, it tastes creamy and nice. And guys, it might look a bit watery now, but the moment you pour it out and it sits and starts to cool, it starts to get a little bit more thick. So don't come for me say my porridge look watery. Here I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can add as much or as little amount of sugar as you like to your sweetness level. See the people, the porridge up and ready. Now you can eat this with 2 tough crackers or a piece of bread, whatever you have, or you can just enjoy your porridge just as is. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more amazing recipe, just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you know you never miss an upload. See the people, plantain porridge ready. Thanks for watching guys. See you in another video. Until then, stay blessed.